Good morning, students. Today we are going to take up another admission sum, and we are going to take, before taking the complete sum of admission, we will be taking one more sum from hidden goodwill, where we will be learning the different method of the other different method of calculation of hidden goodwill. Right? The previous day also we have learned one method, and today we are going to learn another one. So let's start. So here is a question, illustrator number 57. Okay. So in this particular question, we are going to learn about how a hidden goodwill can be determined. Okay. How hidden goodwill can be determined. So in order to find out a hidden goodwill, what you have to do is that in this case, you have to find out what is your net worth. That means what is the value of your business, right? What is the value of your business? And on the basis of the value of the business, okay, you will compare with the total capital, right? In the previous sum also similar thing was there, right? So, but the thing was that it was a simple sum. Today we are going to learn the little bit difficult one. Okay, so let's start. What is given here in this question? Abhay and Beena are partners in a firm. Okay, they're two partners, Abhay and Beena, and they admitted Chetan as a partner. They have admitted Chetan as a new partner who is going to take how much share? 1/4 share in the profit of the firm. Chetan brings 2 lakh as his share of capital. 2 lakh rupees he is going to bring his as capital. The value of the total asset of the firm was 5,40,000 and outstanding liability was 1 lakh. Clear? So that means our net asset or our net worth will be how much? 5,40,000 minus 1 lakh. Okay, what was the formula? We have already done it at a time of calculation of goodwill, isn't it? How we used to do it? That is total asset minus external liabilities. So 5,40,000 minus 1 lakh, right? So it comes to how much? It comes to 4,40,000. Clear? So our net worth will be 4,40,000. Now it is asked to give journal entries to record goodwill at the time of Chetan's admission. Okay, also show your working note. So this is a CBSE pattern question. It's come in 2013. So the net worth of the business, as I have already told you, the net worth of the business is 5,40,000 minus 1 lakh, that is 4,40,000. Clear? That is it is also called as net asset or capital employed. Now we will find out what is our total capital. Okay. Now on the basis of Chetan's share, we can see that the total capital of the firm should be how much? Reciprocal of that. That means Chetan is bringing 2 lakh for how much share? 1/4 share, isn't it? For 1/4 share, he is bringing 2 lakh rupees. So what will be the total capital? Reciprocal of that, that is 8 lakh. Okay, this 8 lakh is the total capital, means today's value of the business. This net worth refers to how much has been invested in the business, capital employed. That is what that is how much? 4,40,000. And today the total capital or the total value of the business is 8 lakh. Understood? Today the total capital of the business is 8 lakh. So that means what is the extra value of the business? Exactly 8 lakh minus 4,40,000. Plus also we are going to deduct the value of this particular capital. Why we are going to deduct the capital value? Because that will also be added with this particular net asset, net worth. Okay, because that is also going to be added with the net worth. What was the net worth? It was 4,40,000, isn't it? So this net worth of 4,40,000 is referring to the value of the business or the capital before Chetan's admission. That is what is belonging to Abhay and Beena. That means what was the capital employed? The capital employed was 4,40,000. But now after Chetan's admission, their capital employed is how much? 4,40,000 plus 2 lakh rupees. So today the capital employed is 6,40,000 rupees. Okay, 6,40,000 rupees. So now the capital employed is 6,40,000. This is the difference between the previous question and the present question. Okay, so 6,40,000 is the total value of the capital employed, and the value of the business is 8 lakh. So what is the extra amount? 1,60,000. This 1,60,000 is the extra value of the business, and this extra value of the business is called goodwill. Okay, and here it is hidden goodwill. Clear? Once again, I'm repeating the net worth. That means the capital employed was how much? 4,40,000 before Chetan's admission. Then Chetan added up 2 lakh more. So now it became 6,40,000. Isn't it? The net worth was 4,40,000, right? Along with that, 2 lakh was added. So now the net worth is 6,40,000. And reciprocating the capital value, we can see the value of the business is 8 lakh. So what is the extra value of the business? 1,60,000. So this 1,60,000 is the goodwill of the farm, isn't it? Goodwill of the farm, 1,60,000. How do we do with that? Actually, whenever the new partner is coming in, he will pay exactly the proportionate of what is the value of the business. Okay, what is the value of the business? Today, according to Abhay and Bina, the value of the business is 8 lakh. That is why they are telling that you bring 1/4. 1/4 means obviously he's going to bring 1/4 of 8 lakh. So that means he's bringing how much? 2 lakh. But here nowhere 8 lakh word is told. You have to find it out. That is a hidden concept. Okay. So 1/4 is there. 1/4 is for 1/4 share, he is going to give 2 lakh. Right. So reciprocating it, we are getting 8 lakh. Clear. So this 8 lakh is the total value of the business. Okay. And the investment was how much? 6,40,000. So this 6,40,000 was the investment, and value of the business is 8 lakh. That means my value of the business has increased to 1,60,000. So why it has increased? Because of the good name and fame of the business. That is goodwill. Clear? So the goodwill is how much? 8 lakh minus 6,40,000. That is 1,60,000. Clear? So Chetan's share will be how much? Chetan ka share kitna hoga? Chetan was going to take 1/4 share, right? But he did not bring anything. He did not bring anything for the goodwill, right? He bought only 2 lakh for his share of capital, and it's not told that he is going to bring anything for the goodwill. If he did not, if a new partner is not bringing the premium for goodwill, we know how we are going to treat it, right? New partners, current account debit to new partners, current account debit to sacrificing partners, capital account, right? So let's see what is the treatment here. First of all, let's find out what was new partner share of goodwill. Chetan's share of goodwill will be 1/4 of 1,60,000. So 1/4 of 1,60,000, it is how much? 40,000. So Chetan should have bought 40,000 for premium for goodwill. Okay, Chetan should have bought 40,000 for premium for goodwill, but he did not bring. So since he has not bought the premium for goodwill, what will happen? We will have to take it from the current account. How will we do that? It will be Chetan's current account debit. Okay, 40,000 to, see here, neither the new ratio is told nor the sacrificing ratio is told. Who is going to sacrifice how much? So we will take the old ratio as the sacrificing ratio, right? Old ratio as the sacrificing ratio. But you might have the question now, Abhay and Bina are partners, and nowhere it is told what is the old ratio also. It is not told here, right? But we know if the ratio is not mentioned, old ratio, existing ratio is not mentioned, then what will be the ratio? If the proportional ratio is not mentioned, then it will be equally. Remember, okay, it will be 1:1. Clear? So Abhay and Bina's share will be how much? 1:1. And now after the admission, they are going to take equally, that is 1:1. Clear? Okay. So what will happen? You can see the journal entry. First of all, we will give admission bank account debit to Chetan's capital account 2 lakh, right? Bank account debit to Chetan's capital account 2 lakh. Clear? After that, what we are going to do? We are going to transfer the premium for goodwill. What was the premium for goodwill? So it's Chetan's share. He did not bring the premium for goodwill, right? So what we will do? We have to take the premium for goodwill from his current account. How will you take? What was his share? 40,000. How to take? Chetan's current account debit 40,000 to Abhay's capital account 20,000 to Bina's capital account 20,000. Right? Abhay's capital account 20,000, Bina's capital account 20,000. Clear? Is it clear, everyone? So this is how we are going to settle a transaction in case of hidden goodwill. Okay. So that's all from the part of hidden goodwill. Clear? Now we will take a big question where we are going to learn in a detail about all the aspects. What can be a part, probable part. Okay, there are many more concepts which will be there. So we will take some more sums also after this so that we can get all the concepts clearly. Clear? So please go through this all these things. Today's class will be the last class for admission. Okay, I will take some more sums. Total of 4 sums today we will do, and after that you go on practicing. And from the next class we will take admission. Fine. So sorry, retirement of partner, and today we'll end up the admission of partner. So let's take up a next question, that is illustration number 60. What is given here?